You don't do this activity without your parents. There's only 3 ingredients. First one is vinegar, and the next one is baking soda, and the last one is the food color. Let's add some baking soda. Let's add some food color. Let's add some vinegar. Yay! Share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, okay?